Good morning. In fact, very strong results coming in from Chola Finance, and that's primarily on account of a very strong growth that they have reported, especially in terms of their entire disbursements. On your screen, vehicle finance for Chola Finance disbursements, 55% growth in Q4, nearly around 42% growth in FY18. And not just that, we're also seeing that for Chola Finance is probably the highest disbursements in a single quarter itself. What are the, in fact, key triggers for this entire CV financing uptake? Is there a case for a re-rating for the entire CV finance? Probably yes. Is there a strong case for a strong cycle uptrend going on? Probably yes. Post the entire volatile period in H2 CY16 as well as H1 CY17. If we look at the entire CV sales as well as the CV production, it's fairly strong. CM does report that CV sales is picking up nearly around or growing nearly around 25 to 50% from November 2017 to March 2018. We're also seeing the production on your screen growing nearly 25 to 40%. So that is giving very strong signs. What are the triggers? A is, of course, a pickup in terms of the infrastructure activity led by government spending. B is the fact that we are seeing stricter government norms in terms of the entire overloading, and that is also helping this entire sector. Not just that, we're also seeing that there is a possibility that if at all the scrappage policy does come in place, we should be seeing further higher demand, especially coming in for the new CVs. And of course, lastly, CLSA does expect that entire FY19 industry CV growth is likely to pick up at nearly around 13% versus the earlier forecast of 10%. What does this mean for especially the entire CV finances, visa Chola, Shriram Transport, Shriram City Union, the rest of the cycle, even Sundaram Finance? Well, fairly strong growth for them as well. MHCV and LCV trends also has been growing very strongly. It's on your screen. Moving on, if we go ahead and move on to the entire valuation part, yes, if you look at Chola Finance as well as Sundaram Finance, we are seeing both these players trading at very high multiples, but probably fairly so. For FY20 itself, Chola is trading at nearly around 3.5x, Sundaram is trading at nearly around 3.6x, but M&M Finance and Shriram Transport Finance trading at nearly around 2.8 to 2.1 odd x. Do note that all the CV finances are in different spaces. Chola is strong in LCV, while Shriram Transport Finance is strong in UCV. Mahindra Finance is strong in tractor financing. But broadly, all these players are present in the CV space. Of course, we have seen good amount of pickup for them from the February 2018 lows, but there is still strong momentum possibly going on for these stocks if at all the CV trend does continue.
Now the